Hello guys, this is Andrew. Today I'm going to show you how to play Wipeout on guitar, the first part of it. Now this is a very famous surf song. So I'm going to show you I'm going to show you two parts how to play today, and I'm going to start off with the first part, and this is how it goes. Okay, so that's the first part. We start off on the third fret of the E string. By the way, I'm playing it a key, so not a key, down one step. It's actually played up here on the 10th fret of the A string. But I'm going to play it on the third fret of the E string. It's easier for beginners to understand. You'll be able to see what frets they are, and after you know the position of the lick itself, you can just play exactly the same position, but instead of starting on the third fret of the E, you just start on the 10th of the A. Okay, and we'll talk about that later. So we start off on the third fret of the E string. So then we go to the A string, play first, second. So all together it's, and then we play the third string again, and then go to the first fret on the A, and then back to third on the E. So, right, and then we repeat that, except this time we play the third fret about 4 times, so it's 3 times. So the first time we played it twice, so, and the second time we played 3 times, and then repeat that. We repeat that again, so. So we play this 4 times, but every second time we add an extra, right? And then we play exactly the same position, but up one to a higher string. So instead of starting on the third fret of the E, we start on the third fret of the A. So exactly the same. So going from the third on the A to first on the D, second, third on the D, back to first and third on the A. Okay, and then we play that once. So altogether it's. So we play twice. We play the starting from the third on the E. We play 4 times this lick, and then we play twice. We play the lick starting from the third string on the A, and then we get back to this. So. Right, and so let's just play the sequence all together until we get to the chords. So this is it from the start. And then okay, so this part was, and what that is, it starts off exactly the same as the second lick. So starting from the third string on the A, so you go third on the A, then first on the D, then third on the D, and then we slide to the fifth on the D. And we play twice, so, and then back to the third, and then to the fifth string on the A. So practice that. So and then we go. So it's fifth on the D, then third on the D, and we play the third on the D twice, and then first on the D, and then third on the A. And then we finish it off with a which is near identical to the first lick. So altogether it's oops, sorry, screw that one up. Let's try that again. So altogether it's okay, and then we get to the chords, and this is kind of where the drum fills come in. So I'll do the drums with my mouth and the chord parts on the guitar. So it will go den 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 den. Right, and what those are so here we have a C power chord here on the A string, so we just strum it once, and then we get to the drums, then the second time here. Then we do this F chord here, and you can do it higher up, but I like to do it here because it kind of has a more surf sound, and it's a lot closer to the C, and so it's kind of like a power chord position here, but starting on the 3rd fret of the D and 5th fret of the G, and you can put your little finger here on the 6th fret of the B as well. So it's, and then we go back to the C. Right, and then we do the same position here as we did for the F, but move everything up three bars here. So it's right. It's kind of hard to explain with words, but I'll play it all through to you once. So C, then C, then F, then C. Then G, C, F, and then at that last bit we played the G power chord here on the 3rd fret of the G, and we kind of do sorry, you can't see my hand, but it's, and then we go back to, so we do kind of like a palm mute here, so that kind of thing, and that's pretty much the first part of the song.